attempting to rediscover the lost and esoteric art of canoe polling. And this is my first ever attempt at canoe polling. So in order to do canoe polling, you have to stand up in the boat. And regrettably, I chose my narrowest canoe with the least amount of primary stability, which means there's a high probability that my first attempt at this will end in capsizing, but